Attention United States citizens, Veritas has fallen. The nuclear bombs didn't do any damage to the monster. Veritas allowed nuclear bombs to be fired, and the cultists hacked into systems, which malfunctioned the nuclear bombs, and multiple military enforcements as a propaganda vector, and to deprive humanity from its last ability to quell the infected human population. The cultists also malfunctioned technology and backup generators, which can disrupt multiple technological objects and power. The infected human population are constantly becoming mutated, increasing strength, speed and their senses to detect hidden locations of the uninfected humans, and became resistant to chemicals and weapons. It is advised that you stay off the internet and destroy any remaining televisions within your proximity, as the cultists are distributing and leaking the footage of a creature, as well as disturbing sounds of victims being attacked by the infected horde through the internet and broadcasts. There is no way out of this. All you can do now is hide and pray the monsters don't find you. May God forgive us for our failure.
What? For technical difficulty screen again. So, I do not want to see it again. So get it out of here, as I said. I do not like it. I see for class kids, super fans, fast 12, and ping pong kids, songs and stories. So please get the technical difficulties, please stand by, out of here. Please. I don't want it. So get it out of here.